So one of the questions that we'll ask in the onboarding is, are you on HRT? And if you are, what are you currently on? And then we ask if you're satisfied with that. And so I can look at that and get an idea, okay, this is what you're on and it's working or it's not working. If it is working, I can match it so that we keep it working for you. If it's not working, then I can look at what you're on and what's not working about it and basically build a better hormone replacement routine for you to get it working. So absolutely, we're happy to do that. And we have some people transfer, they're happy with what they're on, but they want the convenience of not having to go to the pharmacy and go to the doctor's office. And we're happy to take over that. Other people are on HRT and it's not working for them. And I'm happy to tackle that and get you on something that's going to relieve your symptoms.